Hi everyone, welcome back to another edition of our quick tutorials videos. This is Caleb. A little while ago, I produced a video for another quick tutorial about the screen reader feature of Safari, which is Apple's internet browser. What the screen reader does is it takes articles on the web and declutters them, removes the ads. You can change the font, things like that to make it easier to read and easier on your students or yourself. Only problem was that was just for Safaris. It was only good on iPads and iPhones. Well, I've scoured the web to try to find the best screen reader, I think, for Google Chrome, and I think I found one in today's video is going to be all about that extension for Chrome. And so we're going to start off with showing you how to install the extension, and then after that, I'll show you how to use it for reading articles. So we see here, I have just a new tab opened in Google Chrome, and to find what I'm looking for, to find the extension we're looking for, we're going to do a Google search for it, and it's actually called Mercury Reader, Mercury Reader extension. I'm going to go ahead and search for that. It's the very first search result, so it's Mercury Reader for Google Chrome. See it here, kind of click on it. It'll open it in the Chrome Web Store, and it allows you to add it to Chrome. And that's what we want to do. So the Mercury Reader, the icon is a picture of a rocket ship, and we're going to add to Chrome. You can see here it'll say Add Mercury Reader, and that tells you what Mercury Reader can do, and we're going to add the extension. So once we've got it added, it'll give us a pop-up window up in the right-hand corner. It says Mercury Reader extension has been added to Chrome. We can exit out of that, and then now you can see it here. It is this little rocket ship in the corner of our screen. So now how do we use it? Well, to use the reader, we have to find an article or some sort of text that we're really wanting to read without ads on our internet browsers. So I'm going to search for Texas A&M, because that's where I went to college, and I'm excited about what their draft prospects looked like in their most recent NFL draft. So I come find a story. All right, sifting through Texas A&M's NFL draft results from Houston Chronicle. So I open it. You can see here it is a news article. I've got ads off to the sides, things breaking in that I don't want to read, and just kind of makes it a little bit tougher to read. It's a little cluttered on the screen. To get rid of that, I turn on my new extension, the Mercury Reader. I go click the rocket ship. You see here, I've already got some ads popping up as I moved away from the screen. So just click on the Mercury Reader. It tells me about it. This readability Chrome extension has been replaced by Mercury Reader. I'm going to start using it. So now you can see here, I've got a decluttered article that just has the text I was looking for. None of those ads, none of anything like that. Simplicity for me to look at. But the cool thing about this reader feature is that it has some accessibility features to it as well. So if you click on the little gear icon for settings, we can change our text size, making it smaller, medium, larger, easier to read depending on how your eyesight is. We can change the typography. We can go from serifs, and then we can take away the serifs, so sans serifs. Sans serifs has been shown to be easier to read for dyslexic students and just students in general. It's easier to read font without serifs on it. So if you have students who are struggling readers or having issues, may make sense to turn on sans. And then we can change our theme from light to dark. So either white with black text or black with white text, depending on how you read better. When you're done changing your settings, you just hit the X, and then you can go through, read your article as you would like to. When you're done, all you have to do is click anywhere outside to go back to the original web page. And so now we're back on the web page that we started at, and we want to continue our browsing experience, we can. So that's going to be it for today's video. I know it was a quick tutorial, very quick video. If you have issues or you have trouble trying to get this installed or use it, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or Gerald. We'll be glad to help you out. If you have suggestions for other quick tutorial videos you'd like, something that you'd like help with through a video format, please don't hesitate to reach out to us as well. We'll be glad to help you. Outside of that, I hope you have a great rest of whatever day it is when you watch this video. Thank you very much.